Hi there, it's George here, and today I'm gonna plant lemon tree seeds. I have some seeds gifted by a boy with only 9 years old and made a video. And so happy that I received these seeds and made video. Then how I did unboxing video, I will let the link in the corner. So in this video I have just to sow these seeds, and I already have potting soil which I'm gonna plant in it, and it's easy to plant these lemon tree seeds. Then we will wait around 15 days, then these seeds have to germinate. We have to water, stuff like that. Very easy to do that, and we'll start. Just I'm gonna show you what pot I'm gonna use. A small pot with many holes, as you can see. And first of all I'm gonna add potting soil in it, which is a very good potting soil. pH is 5.5 to 6.5, and let's start to do that. Well done, I filled a pot with potting soil and have to water a little bit, and then we'll plant the lemon tree seeds. I'm gonna use rainwater. These days rained and I collect some rainwater, and it's good for plants. Now I'm gonna sow these lemon tree seeds. Now remaining to add a little bit of potting soil above, and we are finished. We have to take care to not dry the potting soil until it germinates. Well, if these seeds will germinate, I will make a video update. Stay tuned on my channel. Thanks so much for watching this video to the end. That means a lot for my channel. Activate that bell to get notification when I post new videos. And if you want, can subscribe to my photography channel. Link is in the corner and in description. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.